So here are the items I actually got for Christmas. Now here is the story. Of recent August, September, October, November, I did sea shipping, and so I got some shoes for my son using the sea shipping, but unfortunately they did not come. So what I did was I had to go back to 1688, source for items, which includes more of my son's Christmas shoes, and this time around I used the air cargo, which we call freight, right? So now along the shoes I got for my son, I got myself some jewelries. This type of jewelries, I've always wanted them. Like, I do not have something like this, right? So this time around I say, okay, let me get these jewelries for myself as well. At least it won't be only my son that I'll be shopping for all the time. Most of the time when I do these pre-orders or procure items, my son has more items in them than me. So this time I said, no, let me just gift myself something that will make me happy as well, something that I do not even have. So I got these beautiful jewelries. Guys, the camera is not even doing justice to these jewelries. These necklaces are very, very beautiful, and I got them because I have some certain type of gowns and other type of clothes that I really needed to use this type of necklace to wear. This necklace is very beautiful, honestly. I just wish there is a better way to show it off on this camera, but then again, so I got like 3 of it, right? Different sizes, be different designs. The one I kept, we call it bohemian? Yeah, bohemian necklace. Then this one is pearl. This is a tiny pearl necklace, right? So I got this. I didn't even know that this one came as 2 in 1. So you just wear them double, but then again you can also wear it as per one. That is, if you don't want to wear it double the way it came, you can just wear single of it, either the short one or the long one. Honestly, this one, I think I even love this one more. It's so tiny, like the pearls are tiny and sparkling, and they are so beautiful. Guys, if I tell you how much I got these jewelries, you'll be very, very shocked, right? So I got these jewelries on 1688. Yeah, I know some people have been asking me, where do you source? I actually source 90% of my items on 1688. It's just few items that I use Alibaba, and there are reasons why I use Alibaba for those things, especially when it comes to certain type of machines, because I also procure machines for people. So I use Alibaba because I need an English speaking rep to, as in, give me a full description, just tell me about the machines and everything I need to know. So when it comes to using Alibaba, I use them to procure machines for my clients, because the rep will educate me on the machines, tell me the information I need, and I feel that sometimes the reps on Alibaba are more patient than the Chinese speaking ones on 1688. So aside machines, other things I procure, I use 1688. Guys, now you see this particular one. This one is so fine, very, very fine. And for this necklace now, you can wear it, you can like go it into 3, right? This one I had to do it, how do I say I had to go it round for the second time, that is, make it like double. But then again, you can make it into 3, you can wear it into 3, you get what I mean, right? And it will be so beautiful as well. You can just style it any way you want. This is very, very beautiful. This is also a pearl necklace, and it's so fine. You can use it on any type of clothes, on any type of shirts. You can use it on any type of gown as well. They are very beautiful. So for these 3 necklaces, I got them for less than 5k as at when I got them. Because why I say as at when I got them is because of the exchange rate used, right? So if you're watching this video and you really want to start a jewelry business, I will tell you for free that using 1688 you can actually source for good ones. Now back to the shoes I got for my son. So you can see this particular shoe. This is actually a rubber shoe, right? So I got this one for him, and it's a very quality rubber shoe. Like you won't even know, like if you're in this car or how do I say that, like if I didn't tell you that this shoe is not rubber, you won't know that this shoe is rubber, honestly. Because when I even opened it, I was like, I thought this, I actually ordered for something rubber, until I had to check it and discover that yes, it's rubber, and I like it. I got it for a reason. Then this one, you see this shoe is very, very beautiful. This is a brown color. This is actually dark brown color. I got it for my son. The leathers are so strong, and the sole is rubber. You know, especially I love getting rubber soles more because of rainy season. Do you get? So the sole is rubber and it's so fine. I got the 2 of it. I got the brown, which I just showed you, and here is the black one. So guys, I got these particular types of shoes for my son because he has a lot of traditional wear that I really want him to wear on different type of shoes. Do you get? And then I discovered something. My son do not really like this type of shoes, like I don't know how to call it, these men's shoes, the normal shoes. Now he doesn't like those type of shoes. Do you get? So this time around I decided to do something very different. So guys, here is my favorite. If I tell you how much I got this shoe, you see this shoe, this particular shoe is even what made me to actually order this using freight this Christmas time, despite the high cost of shipping in this season. So I went to Arena to price this particular shoe for my son, and because he uses a big size, I need to find it in the adults section, and the price they told me for this shoe made me to think twice. Like, why will I get this shoe for that amount for a child when I can use the money to get other shoes? Do you get? So I had to sharply use 1688 source for this shoe, and voila, this is it. This shoe is very beautiful, very, and it has quality. So guys, what do you think about my purchases?